Hey, everybody. It is Karla Silver, and I'm super excited to share this video with you. I'm going to be talking specifically about 5 ways you can set up your Facebook profile to generate cold leads to your business forever. So let's head on over to Facebook and I'll run you through how I've done it on mine, and you can duplicate that directly on your Facebook. So, first and foremost, when people find you on social media, they might see your post somewhere. They might see a comment that you made, some value that you put somewhere. Maybe they saw your story, et cetera, because stories are a great way to get new people and build your visibility on Facebook in this case, because Facebook shows your stories to other people that aren't in your social circle, aren't on your followers list. And what is the first thing they're going to do? The first thing they're going to do is, if they're interested at all what you and checking you out, they're going to click on your name and they're going to go over to your profile. And I want you to understand that your profile, your Facebook profile, is an ad. It's an ad. It is a sales page for you. So knowing that our prospects or the people that are out there have very, very short, super short attention spans. As a matter of fact, the latest research has shown that the average human being has less attention span than a goldfish. And the last time I saw that statistic was that goldfish has attention spans of 8 seconds. I know my attention span is more like a gnat. It is for like 1 second. So if they land in your profile and they can instantly see who you are and what you do and how you can possibly serve them, they are going to bounce, right? So the first thing that they're going to see, obviously, is your cover. Is the cover art at the top of your page. And that cover art should not be a picture of a lake or your family, and those things are nice, but you're an entrepreneur and you want to position yourself and brand yourself as somebody that can solve people's problems. So in this case, I have made this cover in Canva, super easy to do. And I'm very clearly saying I teach modern marketing methods to modern social sellers. Are you looking for support? Check out my Facebook group. So in your case, if you're looking for people to start in your business opportunity, you might say something like, I help midlife women replace their professional income so they can retire comfortably, or something like that. You should know what you do. You're going to want to put this right here on your Facebook cover art. And this is your image, by the way, is arguably the most important thing you can have there. So if somebody comes to your Facebook profile, they don't see this, guess what they're going to do? They're just going to bounce off that and continue scrolling along their merry way. So you want to get this so it looks professional, it has a picture of you, that it says what you do and who you serve. Now, a little ninja trick, da, 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 a ninja trick is that, I don't know if you knew this, but all Facebook posts, all Facebook things, these things are all posts. So if you actually click on this, you're going to get a post, right? So I put a fake button. This is just an image of a button on my cover art to get people to click on the cover art, because here I have a link to my Facebook group where I want them to go. In your case, if you're looking for business builders, you might say, again, here, I help professional midlife women lose weight and gain confidence. And here's where you go. And you want to have this picture, a link that goes to your opt-in page. In my case, people have to give me their email address before they get let into my Facebook group. So this is a lead magnet that points to my Facebook that grabs somebody's email. So that's way number one. Number two is uber important. I don't know if you know that your Facebook profile picture is also a post. So I'm not going to change mine here, but I'm going to say update my profile picture. Whoops, I'm going to just say change it. Let's just say I'm going to change it. Update profile picture. You're going to upload a photo. I'm going to X out of this. I'm going to upload the same photo, guys. So let me find it to show you how this works, because this makes me crazy. I'm going to show you something amazing that happens on Facebook. Every time you change your cover photo, you have an opportunity to write something there. And guess what? Everybody that follows you gets a notification in their feed that you changed your profile picture. So you can write whatever it is you want and include a link to your opt-in page, right? And then, but this is going to be distributed to everybody else in your feed. It drives me crazy when people change their profile picture and don't take advantage of this opportunity here to get people on their email list. So that is number 2. Number 1 was your cover art. Number 2 is your profile picture. Number 3 area where you can put a link to generate cold leads and warm leads to your business is in this intro. You have very little room here. I think you have something like 150 characters. So I couldn't put anything sexy there, but join us in Clever Marketers. You might say, find out what I'm doing here and put a link to your opt-in page. Everything that you do gets people on your list. So this is the 3rd place. And you're going to want this isn't part of this training, but you're going to want your personal details not to be where you went to elementary school or necessarily where you grew up, because that's not going to help you make sales. Remember, this is a sales page. So you want to put things there that make sense to your client. But here's additional places you can put links if you want to your other social media. But I also have a link directly to my Facebook group. In this case, wherever you generate leads and they capture those leads on your email list, this would be your opt-in page. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th place is not a link, but I want to mention that here because you can actually highlight and feature stories. So every one of these stories that I have featured here are success stories from people in our program. So you would put success stories from people in your business, right? Success stories that you've experienced in your business, et cetera. This is, again, remember, this is a sales page. And lastly, and the one most people forget, is your first post should be a pinned post that makes an offer with your link, right? You should be a pinned post that makes an offer with your link, whether it's a lead magnet or telling your personal story about why you got started in your network marketing company. And here's a link to check out what I'm doing. Whatever it is should be pinned to the top, because remember, you want to generate cold leads. So let's look at that closely. If somebody doesn't know you and they make it to you for some reason, you are giving value somewhere else, in this case, Facebook, they're going to click on your name. They're going to go here. If they see that maybe you can help them, then they're going to scroll. They're going to check out. Maybe they want to know what you're doing. You can say, find out what I'm up to here. And it's a link to your opt-in page. Maybe it's here. Maybe it's here. But they're not going to scroll if this isn't done. And then they're not going to really go further if you're not creating value right along the way in your feed. And this is training from another training, is that your feed should include all of the social selling posts that we talk about in all of our programs, so that you can actually create the know, like, and trust factor and credibility and sales from your posting strategy. You're not there to post your company's stuff. Obviously, you don't see, like, you're not going to put, like, if you're with doTERRA, you're not going to put pictures of oils up here. If you're here, you're not going to be talking about doTERRA and the great frankincense that they have, right? You are your brand. People are getting started with you. They want to know how to work with you and how to maximize. They don't have a lot of time. They want to know how you can help them. And so these are 5 easy ways to put your link on Facebook and be able to generate leads for life. Now, question, do you want to know how to do this on all the rest of the social media? I'm guessing the answer is yes. You want to do this on YouTube. You want to do this on Instagram, Twitter, Threads. What did I forget? Oh, TikTok, etc. You want to make sure that those links to your opt-in page are every single place that you possibly can, so that you can scoop up whatever leads of people that are interested in moving to the next step. So I have a very special gift for you. I'm going to share I'll go here real quick. I have a special gift for you. I have free leads for a lifetime checklist, and you can get this right in your inbox ASAP. And it is 20 places that you can put your lead on social media and set up your social media for success so that you're getting leads forever. My name is Karla Silver. Make sure to click on the link. I'll get that to you. It'll go right to your inbox right away. My name is Karla Silver. I cannot wait to see where you go with this. Comment below if you've received value. It's been my honor to be with you today. Make it an awesome day. Go forth, be fruitful, and multiply.